Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. Tuition and fees deduction. The amount of a taxpayer's student loan interest deduction for 2012 is gradually reduced if their modified adjusted gross income, or MAGI, is between $60,000 and $75,000. The taxpayer may also not take a deduction if their MAGI is $75,000 or more. Please see Chapter 4 of Publication 970 for more information. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.